Hi, my name is Daniel Oostra. I work at the Atmospheric Sciences Data Center, part of the Science Directorate at NASA Langley Research Center. The first time I was introduced to NASA was at a school visit as a student, and some astronauts came to our school and they showed us a fairly long shuttle presentation and gave us some free handouts and really just spent some time with us. I got an autograph from one of the astronauts there that day. It was really a great time, and the real thing that got me interested in it was this cool thing about flying into space. And so I was hooked from that point on, and I continued to follow NASA throughout the years. And in January 2010, I was given the opportunity to work at NASA Langley, and I jumped on it right away. I work with a number of projects for the Science Directorate. One of them is called the My NASA Data Project, and the other initiative I'm working fairly closely with is building mobile apps for education. With My NASA Data, it's a data visualization tool that can really bring data into the classroom, and we have a number of lessons that are linked directly with standards of learning so that teachers can go to this resource, use it right away, and visualize data that we have at the Atmospheric Science Data Center with their students in real time and very interactively. So that is really an excellent project. The other thing that I'm doing is the mobile apps for education, and what we're doing is creating the first web apps for education using NASA data, creating science glossaries, cloud identification tools, and right now we even have a project called Discover Air Quality, which is working with a number of flights out of Wallops Island and out of here at NASA Langley. They're flying over the I-95 corridor, taking different air quality samples throughout the way. So that's an awesome project that that just started this month in July, and we'll be continuing that project and developing more tools that teachers can use for their classes specifically. The most exciting part of my job is discovery. There's a quote by Galileo that says, all different discoveries are easy to figure out once you actually find them. The point is to actually go out and find them. Now, so that's what I really love doing every day, looking for new ways to share the data that we have at this data center with schools, with teachers, with citizen scientists. And the other really exciting thing that I love about my job is meeting these people out at conferences, at their schools, and things like that. And even this, doing virtual visits, that's something that I think is really exciting, and I believe that we're going to be able to bring a lot of good technology into the classroom through that forum. Now, I learned a number of things in school that really apply to my job today. I think the number one skill that I learned is really decision making. I've decided by going to school what I wanted to learn and really what I needed to learn to help me do my job better. I still continue to learn today. I take classes, I do different certifications. I still participate in many workshops that continue to help me grow and learn more. So this process started when I was just in elementary school, and it's continued on to today.